What up, tubers? This is Geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. Now, I host with Bluehost, which is fantastic. You sign up through any of my affiliate links in my YouTube channel, you'll get free tech support for life. Okay? So as you can see, I got a lot of subdomains. Made a new subdomain to introduce this wonderful minimalist blog by Super Themes. Okay, now for 29 bucks. Okay, if you're a blogger, if you're a affiliate marketer, if you have your own business, if you're a brand, you can't beat this. Okay, so today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just made this subdomain just minutes ago. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new site, and I'm going to call it, you guessed it, Minimalist. Okay, call it that, copy and paste that. Let's get out of there. Subdomains, we don't want to be there, so we're going to go here. Boom, boom, next. Okay, so it's going to be in my subdomain, right? Minimalist that I made. Ooh, boy, the old Geek got a bunch of them, right there. Okay, I'm going to click next. And it's going to take a minute or two. I'm going to sit here and wait for this. Alright, let's get a swirly going around, right? Okay, so let's look for our minimalist blog right there. Okay, so we're going to click here. We're going to log into the Wordpress. And these sites are just elegant. I mean, it's elegant. It's fantastic blog. Okay, they got all kinds of stuff going on. Beautiful stuff. And again, you know, a lot of it is about the graphics. Okay, like for example, this is an image. If you right click on that, open it in a new tab. Okay, very clever to do that. So, you know, you got to know some tricks of the trade. Okay, so here's the blog. Now, what I like to do when I first come into a blog, a WordPress. Okay, when I first make a WordPress site, and a lot of people do this. Okay, I pretty much go to my theme. You see how it's got all this stuff already preloaded on it. Okay. All right, so what I like to do is delete these older, and these are good too. I mean, you can certainly make a nice blog even out of these old 21s and 22s stock WordPress. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my plugins. It comes with a bunch of plugins, and they're going to keep throwing advertisement and for upselling in your face. Okay. So basically, I'm going to click here and select all of them. Now, I host with Bluehost, so the only one I want to keep is the Bluehost. So you're going to do that. And you can do this on the top or the bottom. Okay. And I'm going to deactivate all of these. I'm going to apply it. Okay. See how that gobbledygook disappears. And then I'm going to check them off again. And I'm going to keep my Bluehost plugin, and I'm going to delete these guys. Okay, and you can always make note of them, and if you want to use them in the future, you can easily upload them. Okay, so what we got here is we're going to add a new theme. Okay, and we're going to call it the Minimalist Blog. Minimalist Blogger. Okay, and there it is. I'm going to install it. Look, there's a couple of them. Let's just see the details. If this is what our guys. And again, I am an affiliate to Superb Themes. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Yeah, that's another one that they got. Similar. Minimalist Writer. Sure, they have some differences. But I'm going to go with the Minimalist Blogger. There's probably some what they call child theme. Look at Easy Blogger. These look nice. There's a dark one. Oh, I like that. That's very sexy dark. Okay, then we're going to activate it. Okay. Now, a lot of these themes don't have this. Easy to use, customize the design, add edit widgets. Okay, so let's see. They take you right into action. So this is the live thing. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Oh, wow. You know what? I'm going to... That's pretty nice. Let me log in over here. I'm going to go back in. And let's visit the site. Now it's telling you that a lot of these sites, they come with their own plugin. Okay. Oh, wow, that's a beautiful site. Now, what happens also is, you know, I've got no post going on. Okay, recent posts, recent comments, archive. You can change all that very easily. Okay. This, if you got like a Weber and stuff like that, you can put it in there all very easily. Now, another thing I like to do when I first log in to WordPress and I set it up, you want everything to be clean as possible. That's why I got rid of all those other plugins. That's why I got rid of all the other, themes and stuff like that. But what I like to do is I like to go here to users, okay, and we'll go edit the user. Okay, and under users, show toolbar when viewing. Okay, I want to de-check that and save it. And it's because I'm just like anal retentive. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay. And you see, as I'm viewing it, you see I'm in the subdomain of minimalist at rwcweb.com. Okay, so I'm viewing it. Okay, so now with this editor that they give you, okay, let me shut that off. Okay, so basically, like right here, let's see, all right, so that's text that they put in there. You see that? Which is, it's pretty nice. Okay, it's pretty nice. What do I do? Close my site out. All right, let's open that again. Sorry, I'm a little all over the place. Okay, that's the dashboard. That's that. And we're in the dashboard. All right, let me get rid of that one. Okay, so you see, this is text. You can highlight it. You can copy it. And you can paste it, right? Now, in their sample, this is an image. You can open the image in a new window. Now, for SEO purposes, this ain't going to work unless you do the SEO around the image, which in WordPress you can do. That's why they're at the top of the food chain. Okay, so let's try something real quick, just to give you an example of what you could do with this. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. As I get my stuff together here. Okay, so I'm going to change this. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to leave this here, the text. Okay, and I'm going to select the logo. Go. Actually, download again. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to select the logo, select the file. Do things very fast. Let me try this one. Okay, so there it is. Now this is where you could do your SEO. And again, that's why WordPress is top of the food chain. And they're so great with the SEO, because whenever, like say this is a minimalist blog, say it's a blog about, dieting, I would put all my keywords in here. Put your description in here, because nowadays, and it's been for a while now, okay, when people search on Google, the pictures come up in SEO now. Okay, it's been for a while. So you always want to crop your image properly. Okay, and as you can see, we're going to publish that. It is more elegant of a picture. They might have made it in Canva, something like that. It gives it a more bolder look as well. Okay, so keep watching my videos. I love this minimalist blog. I've truly have fallen in love with superb themes. They've been around for a long time. It's a very reasonable price at $29. You click my affiliate link, you go there, you sign up with them. Even if you get the free plan, okay, the old Geek is going to give you free tech support forever. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you.